Go blue or go home. For every champion, there is a challenger. Introducing the Drop Plus RedSuns GMK Blue Samurai Keycap set, the much-anticipated counterpart to RedSuns GMK Red Samurai. INSIRED by the Samurai Code, inspired by General Lee Naomasa, founding father of the Samurai Code, famous for his red-clad armor. This set turns the old guard on its head with a brand new colorway. Where the original features red, this new set has deep blue. Elsewhere, dark grays and golden accents add welcome contrast, while matching golden legends complete the look. Switch compatibility. Sculpted in Cherry profile, GMK Blue Samurai is compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones including but not limited to Kaihua, Halo, and Gateron. Specs. Doubleshot 1. 5mm ABS plastic compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones, 153 keys, Cherry profile, made in Germany, and GMK display tray. Made in Germany using custom Cherry tooling, GMK Red Samurai is compatible with a variety of different keyboards, including those with non-standard and standard layouts. The keycaps themselves are made from 1.5mm thick double-shot ABS for longevity and strength. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful keycaps, but a lil expensive. They're great. Love all the different keycap options, but it is a very expensive keycap set. If you're gonna get this set though, send the extra $$ to get these ones and don't get the Chinese knockoffs I've seen on this site going for like $50. Spend the money to support the high quality craftsmanship and the designers.